tiger. I need go nights. Yeah.
Ooh, she forgot the mascot there, but she's so cute though. So we really can't get mad at her. All right, so guys, it's May 20th, Wednesday. All right, you're gonna do two things today. All right, I'd like you to watch this article. Watch this video. It's about 5 or 6 minutes long. It's about a man named Dred Scott. Dred Scott was a slave whose owner brought him into free territory at one point, and they lived there, but he was still a slave. His owner died, and Dred Scott claimed he was free. Many people said that Dred Scott was property, so he couldn't be free. Dred Scott brought a court case against the United States and made it so that he wanted to be free. The Supreme Court of the United States gave what's called the Dred Scott decision. They said because Dred Scott was property, he could not bring a court case against the United States. And now this is a time where now the Supreme Court of the United States is saying that slaves are property. All right. And that's a really terrible thing because now it's going to make the country separate even further. North and South is getting further and further apart. All right. When you're done, you are going to log into Achieve 3000, and you are going to complete the article called Remembering Dred Scott. Remembering Dred Scott. All right. So guys, when you're done, just mark this as done, and I will be checking Achieve to make sure you finished it. All right. Guys, have a great... Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. Trivia question of the day from Tuesday. Marshmallow was the answer. Marshmallow was the answer. Today's trivia question of the day is, in what TV sitcom do the employees work at Dunder Mifflin? And this day, what TV sitcom do the employees work at a store called Dunder Mifflin, or a business called Dunder Mifflin? All right, guys, you have a great day.